Hi guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna update you on the day after just because somebody in the comments, sorry I forgot your name, I just didn't check before I left. Wanted to see what it's like. I'm stepping out for the first time, so again, real time, I'm taking a walk to Kenny's so that I can get some food. Um, Unfortunately, we had to get alternative accommodation, somewhat related to the weather and some other issues that we're resolving. So I have anyway, I can't speak for my mother, but I have terrible cabin fever. I needed fresh air, and since everything was closed and we're not at home to cook, I'm also tired of eating junk food. Um, you guys can see the Safeway across the street and the 7-Eleven here. That has pretty much been the source of our food for the past few days. So heading out to get some Chinese, some rice and some vegetables, hopefully. And hopefully I don't fall on my face in trying to do so. So it looks like they've cleared a little path here on the sidewalk, so I'm gonna use that. But I'm gonna just walk up to the main road a little bit just so you can see. I'm still in Rockville. They cleared up the roads pretty good, as you can see, or pretty well rather. And there's a little bit of traffic, which is great. Obviously the bus is not happening. I'm trying to zoom in. Oh, that wasn't much of a zoom, but that bus stop is clearly not going to be of use to anybody. And I'll just walk with you. So if at any point you feel like this is boring, please don't waste your time telling me in the comments. I'm just trying to show you around the area, and seeing as I don't have wings, this is going to be a bit of a lengthy video. Also, probably won't say much because I think I've pretty much out-talked myself. It's quite warm though, says the person who said they had nothing to say. It's quite warm. I am in a tee, a cardigan, and a jacket, and they are not zipped. Beanie and a scarf, I'm feeling pretty good. One pair of socks, and for those who know me, that is saying a lot because I absolutely hate the cold, and I have lived in Accra for over 2 years now, so I'm quite used to 30 degrees Celsius plus. So visiting my mom in the wintertime is normally quite traumatic. So apparently I have to walk in the street because there's no more sidewalk cleared. So, wow. Let's see how this works out. Sugar. For those who are like, why don't you edit this? I can't because I couldn't pick up my laptop from the Apple store. This is what I'm dealing with right now. Because of the snow, I had to get it taken in for repairs before the blizzard. And oh, sugar, the car's trying to turn and I am trying to walk. I couldn't take it in for repairs. Oh, sugar, no, that's not what I mean. I couldn't pick it up after the repair because of the snow. Oh, too close to comfort. Yeah, and I'm using my mom's laptop to upload it, and I don't want to start fiddling around with new software just for this. But and I'm quite enjoying the downtime, despite the cabin fever of just doing nothing. This is more kind of documenting the experience for my sake, and because of the man who commented in the comments on the last video saying that he wanted to see how they cleaned up. I think he said that he's in North Carolina. He left Maryland for North Carolina. So hopefully you have a safe journey back. Yeah, so somebody else is walking on the street. I guess you can see that. No sidewalk. Right, okay, I don't know what he was talking about. But, yeah, that's a lot of snow. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, you'll see it as soon as I get there, how much snow fell. It looks like, I can't tell if they shoveled out the bus stop or not, probably not. Yeah. Oh wait, that's probably not wise to start vlogging in the middle of the street, but you guys saw the trucks that are coming. There's like 4 in a row. I'm not gonna turn around to count. I should probably keep it moving. We're so gassed that Kenny's was open. Like, my mom had us walking in snow yesterday, looking for rice at the Safeway, so it wasn't anything ridiculous. We get to the Safeway and the only rice they had was like cold, and if you are of African descent and a rice lover like we are, you'll understand the pain of getting that rice, seeing that it's cold, doesn't look very spiced. So I ended up eating a hot dog instead. So yeah, quite slushy here. I'm not wearing the appropriate clothing because, you know, I didn't know that I would have to be packing for blizzard weather. That's a long story that we won't get into anyway, but let's just say my shoes are comfortable but not snow practical. Right. So hopefully, I was told that, oh, wow, that's a lot of snow. I was told to look for the shopping center behind where I am now. I'm hoping, oh, sugar, okay. So he's trying to get out. Oh, no he's not. Seems to be part of the cleaning crew. There's a shovel in front of that. See that? Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping that's Kenny's. It looks like the only thing with lights on. When I get to Kenny's, I will shut down. It's actually been nice having my camera company, you guys there. Sorry for the heavy panting and the sniffing. Not the best of sound effects, but it was either that or we'd walk in silence, though I'm sure some of you guys would have preferred the silence, but I'm not gonna give you that. You're not gonna have the silence. Oh, Kenny's Sub Shop. And some of the viewers go, yay! We're almost done. Oh wow, Rockville Volunteer Fire Department. Okay, I'm also taking a mini tour. I am from Maryland, but I haven't lived in America for 14 years, so whenever I'm visiting, it feels like I'm on holiday and a foreigner in my own country. And for those who don't know anything about Maryland or this area, hopefully you enjoyed that little tour. A little shout out to Kenny's, you know, give them some video love. Shout out for opening in ridiculously cold weather. Well, ridiculously snowy weather. It's not particularly cold. Now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna get in. So joke's on you if you thought the vlog was almost over, because it's not. Gotta walk around and find my way back in. So, for those of you who care, there's a little shopping center with a Sally Beauty Supply for my natural girls who are product junkies. Let me stop walking so you guys can see some of that. Is that police or some sort of patrol car? And more snow. My sensible shoes with the heel. Hey y'all, keeping it cute in the snow. Yeah, empty parking lot, more or less. Beautiful, beautiful sky. Some birds. And now I'm here, so I figured it out, y'all. So thank you. Hopefully that was useful, especially to the man in the comments. I'm sorry I forgot your name. I hope you get home safe. Like I said earlier, if you're in Rockville and you're hungry, they're charging $5 to deliver, so I just decided to walk because we save monies like that. And I'm about to order my food. So laters. Bye.